Alright, this is my close-up on how to do the data lines in the center. For the ground and the 5 volts, I just run a wire, put it in the 2 ends, and then solder all the joints in the middle. And then I put the other piece, because they're only 5 wide, so I put 5, and then I'll solder the other 5 to it. You can see the break right here. And then you do the other wire, or you can do both of them at the same time. For the data lines, because you have to go from out to in and then have a gap. Out, in, have a gap. Out, in, have a gap. So what I do, try to do this without blocking camera. Okay. Go to out. Let's put that in. Sticks in. Flush cuts. Snip off the wire. Alright, so you can see that that's connected, and now there's going to be a gap, and there's a gap here. So now I'll do the rest of these, show you so you can kind of see how I do this. Out, in, pull it up, snip it off. As long as it's not touching the data, other side of the data, or any of the positives or negatives, we're good. Pull it up. Flush cut. Out. In. Pull it up. 2 left. Just those 2. Oh, I think I'm in the positive, so pick it up. Out, in. Out. Ow, that's hot. Oh, popped off my out. Pull it up, clip it off. And then everything is done. Now here's some of the problems you get. If you look right here, I got a bridge between the data line and the 5 volt line. So I have to separate that bridge. So what I do, I'm going to first start by moving the wire down, the lower wire. Oh, and you see, that's all I had to do, and it removed that bridge. So if you get any of those bridges, just try to move your wire out of the way, and it should fix it up pretty nicely. Just make sure, oh, this one looks like it needs a little more. There we go. So yeah, just try to make your solder joints look decent. They don't have to look pretty. There's not too much globs of solder on them, but that's it. Now, this is your data out. That side is going to be data in, so the first part of this chain is going to start here.